If you're paying for LinkedIn Premium, you definitely have to use that away message. Hey, you're paying for it, so why not use it? And it only takes a few seconds to update your away message. In today's video, I'm going to walk you through how to change it, and I'm also going to talk about why you should change your away message periodically. So let's get started. All right, so one of the easiest things that I recommend that you do with your away message is just point people to your latest post. I just did a post today on LinkedIn. We're at the end of the holidays here, and I was thinking to myself, is it Tuesday today? Is it Thursday? No, it's Friday today. So I did a poll about it just to get people into that mindset, and it's a Friday, which is a little bit more of a fun mindset for people to have. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to click on the three dots at the top of my post, and I'm going to click on copy link to post. Now, to change your away message, what you'll need to do is go into your messaging area. At the top menu bar where it says Home, My Network, Jobs, and Messaging, click on Messaging. Now, inside here, if you have access to the away message because you're a premium member, the way that you navigate there is you click on the three dots that are in the middle of your screen next to that box with the pencil icon coming out of it. Click on the three dots and you'll see update away message. Now, if you haven't set it yet, it'll say set away message in there, just so you know. Make sure that the green box is toggled to on, and then make sure that you have specified a start date. It does need to be today's date as a start date or later. And then I usually put it through the end of the month just so I have something running continuously for several weeks. Now, the language I like to use in mine is always the same. This is an away message, a LinkedIn premium feature similar to an out of office. Until I can respond, check out, and then I'll put whatever I want to update my network on. In this case, I'm going to say check out my latest LinkedIn post. And then I'm going to paste. Now, Control V is to paste, just so you know. Paste the link that I have just copied. Now, I usually like to take out any unnecessary code at the end of this. In this case, it's UTM source equals share UTM, all that stuff. Like basically after the question mark, I'm going to take that out and then I will click on save. So that whole process took me about 30 seconds, in part because I was explaining it to you. It may even take less than that amount of time to change that out if I wasn't explaining this to you. So if you are paying for LinkedIn Premium, it doesn't mean you're getting a better version of LinkedIn. It means that you are paying for additional features, and why not use your away message and get advantage of that. Now, the benefit of that away message is that it serves very similar to an out of office on an email. The way that it works here on LinkedIn is the only people who will see those away messages are people that have messaged you, and they'll only get that away message once a day. Now, you'll get sick of reading this before they get sick of reading it because the average person, I'm using Terry Beltran as an example here, will only message you once a day. They're not going to message you every day for 7 days in here. So you can see here in my messaging history, every time someone has messaged me, a bounce back is coming back through here. And in this case, I'm using the same intro text. This is an away message, a LinkedIn Premium feature similar to an out of office until I can respond. And then sometimes I will promote evergreen offerings, such as my LinkedIn checklist. Other times I will promote a upcoming webinar that I'm doing or an upcoming event. But sometimes if I don't have anything that I want to promote on my website, I might just bounce people back to look at my latest LinkedIn post, which is what I've done in my current away message here. All right, so that's it. And by the way, if you'd like to borrow my language for this, feel free to message me on LinkedIn. We do have to be first level connections in order for you to be able to grab that text in there, but feel free to grab that, modify it to fit your own language. What I like about this is it explains to people who might be thinking it's you who's replying, no, this is an away message, just letting them know this is a feature that's allowed by LinkedIn. You're getting access to it as a premium member and you're sending it over to them until I can respond. It's basically saying, read this, and that's it for you. I hope that you found this tip helpful. If you did, please let me know in comments below. And do keep in mind, this is only a feature that you get if you're paying for a version of LinkedIn Premium, which would be Career Premium, Business Premium, or one of the LinkedIn Sales Navigators packages. Found this helpful? Let me know below in comments. And also, if you're watching this on YouTube, I would love it if you could click to follow and subscribe to my channel so you get all of my latest video updates. Thanks and have a great day. I will see you on LinkedIn.